What's up, guys? We're back. They seem to put a new car in the showroom. It's weird. I'm gonna save up and I'm gonna get one. Uh, or I'll just trade for one. Um, if you guys get one, let me know. Uh, see, well, it's not worth much though. It's only worth. It's only worth about. Whoops. Only worth about like 3 mil. So. Um. I don't know when I'll trade for it. If you guys can get one, I will trade a Hellcat for it. Wait, no. I don't know what to do, man. Yeah, guys, I'll just trade the Hellcat for one. If you guys can get me one, it would be appreciative if it was mated. It had some rims and some neon and some lights on it. But if not, I'll just trade for this. Yeah. If you guys want to trade for my Hellcat, for the new GT3, just hit me up. I will not be going first, so please do not ask. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe, and peace out.